Welcome back to the Auto Review Zone channel, car lovers. Today, we're diving into something absolutely wild, incredibly powerful, and completely over the top. The 2026 BRABUS G WAGON 6x6, based on the Mercedes G63 800G class pickup. This is not your average luxury SUV. This is a military-grade beast reimagined for the streets. With 6 wheels, an 800 horsepower twin-turbo V8, and BRABUS's signature aggressive styling, this truck is equal parts luxury, power, and insanity. From the Arctic Circle to the Sahara Desert, the BRABUS G WAGON 6x6 is built to go anywhere, and do it in style. This is the ultimate statement vehicle, the kind of machine that turns heads no matter where you are. Whether you're pulling up to a 5-star hotel or crawling over boulders in the wilderness, it looks right at home. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly why the BRABUS G WAGON 6x6 is one of the most exclusive vehicles money can buy, and whether it's worth adding to your dream garage. Let's get started. From the moment you set eyes on the BRABUS G WAGON 6x6, you realize it's in a class of its own. At over 19 feet long and nearly 7 feet tall, this monster commands attention. The aggressive BRABUS body kit includes wider fender flares, carbon fiber hood scoops, and a completely reworked front bumper with LED light bars built in. The signature BRABUS grille features the bold BB logo, instantly letting you know this is not a standard Mercedes. The matte paint finish looks menacing, while the massive 22-inch forged wheels, wrapped in huge all-terrain tires, remind you this thing can conquer deserts just as easily as it can cruise down rodeo drive. The triple-axle setup is both functional and jaw-dropping, giving it unmatched traction in extreme terrain. And yes, those side-exit exhaust pipes are real, and they sound like pure thunder when you fire it up. Around the sides, you'll notice carbon fiber mirror caps, integrated rock guards, and extra LED lighting along the roof rack. The proportions are almost surreal. It feels like a G-Wagon on steroids. Every line, every surface is designed to shout, "No compromise." Move around to the back, and you'll see what sets this version apart: the pickup-style cargo bed. Unlike the standard G-Wagon SUV, the 6x6's rear is a fully functional truck bed, designed with high-strength composite materials and lined with marine-grade protective coating. It's not just for show, this bed is built to haul. The tailgate drops smoothly, revealing plenty of space for gear, luggage, or even off-road equipment like sand ladders and fuel cans. BRABUS adds integrated tie-down hooks and a carbon fiber roll bar with additional LED spotlights. This setup is perfect for adventure enthusiasts who want both luxury and utility in one package. The attention to detail continues even here. The cargo bed rails are finished in brushed aluminum, and the LED lights make nighttime loading effortless. Whether you're transporting luxury suitcases for a weekend getaway or camping gear for an off-road expedition, the 6x6 delivers without breaking a sweat. Stepping up into the BRABUS G WAGON 6x6 is an experience in itself. The truck sits so high off the ground that you'll need the automated retractable side steps to climb in comfortably. As the doors swing open, the scent of premium leather greets you, along with the unmistakable craftsmanship BRABUS is known for. The heavy doors close with a solid, reassuring thud, the kind of sound that tells you this vehicle is built like a tank. You're instantly surrounded by a blend of high-performance materials: diamond-stitched Napa leather, Alcantara roof lining, and carbon fiber trim panels. Every surface feels expensive. Every detail screams exclusivity. Even before you sit down, you know this isn't just transportation, it's a luxury fortress on wheels. Up front, the driver's cockpit is pure luxury with a performance twist. You get 2 massive 12.3-inch high-definition displays, one for the digital gauge cluster and one for the infotainment system. The BRABUS-specific interface offers custom skins, performance readouts, and off-road telemetry. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather and Alcantara, with BRABUS-branded aluminum paddle shifters. The seats are fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and even offer a massage function for long drives. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, with 64 customizable colors to set the mood. And because this is a BRABUS, even the pedals are custom-milled aluminum. Small touches, like the BRABUS logo embossed into the headrests and illuminated door sills, make you feel like you're in something truly special. Move to the rear, and you'll find executive-class seating that rivals some private jets. The two rear captain's chairs are separated by a luxury center console with touchscreen climate controls, wireless charging pads, and even a built-in refrigerator for your drinks. There's generous legroom thanks to the extended chassis, and the seats come with full recline and massage features. Rear passengers also enjoy dual entertainment screens mounted behind the front seats, premium BRABUS headphones, and separate USB-C ports. It's the perfect blend of off-road ruggedness and limousine-like comfort, a rare combination in the automotive world. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the BRABUS-tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8. In standard Mercedes AMG G63 form, this engine already produces 577 horsepower. But BRABUS doesn't do standard. Here, it's been upgraded to pump out 800 horsepower and an earth-shaking 738 lb-ft of torque. All that power is sent to all 6 wheels through a 9-speed automatic transmission and BRABUS's advanced all-wheel drive system. This setup allows the 6x6 to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a truck this size. Off-road, the portal axles give it incredible ground clearance, and the triple locking differentials make sure no terrain is too extreme. And the sound. Imagine thunder rolling through a canyon, deep, raw, and powerful. This isn't just an engine, it's a statement of dominance. Behind the wheel, the BRABUS G WAGON 6x6 feels surprisingly refined for something so massive. On the road, the steering is precise, and the air suspension smooths out bumps with ease. But push the accelerator, and you're instantly reminded that this is a high-performance monster. The acceleration is relentless, the exhaust note addictive. Off-road, it's unstoppable. Whether it's deep sand, rocky trails, or steep inclines, the 6x6 just powers through without hesitation. The traction from all 6 wheels and the intelligent differential system means you can tackle terrains that would leave most SUVs stranded. Driving it isn't just transportation. It's an event. The 2026 BRABUS G WAGON 6x6 is not a practical vehicle, and it's not trying to be. It's an expression of power, luxury, and exclusivity. It's for the person who already has supercars in the garage, but wants something that makes even a Lamborghini look ordinary. With its unmatched off-road capability, 6-wheel drive system, and ultra-luxurious interior, this is one of the most unique vehicles in the world. But all that comes with a price, and it's a steep one. Expect to pay well over $1 million for a fully loaded version. For most of us, it will remain a dream. But for the lucky few, it's the ultimate symbol of, "I've made it."